Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install 7-zip onto your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So first thing you want to do is open up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, but for today's tutorial, we're going to open up Microsoft Edge. And you want to search in Google. You want to go ahead and look for 7-zip and just hit enter. Just download 7-zip. And one of the best matches should be from the 7zip.org webpage up here. So go ahead and select the download button. You can go directly to their main page. It'll just take you here. And then you would select the download button. Or you can go right here on the main page too. You can see the layout is very easy to understand. So assuming we selected the download link on the Google page, you can just go ahead and select the download option that corresponds to Windows. So you can see for 64-bit, which is what we're running here. So we're going to go ahead and select that. And it's not a very big download file here. It shouldn't take very long to download. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up to run it. Select yes if you receive a user account control prompt. You can change the destination folder if you so choose. Otherwise, go ahead and select install. And that's all you have to do. Select close and it should be installed in your computer. So if you open up the search and you type in 7-zip, it should be right on our computer at this point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.